So, we had a blizzard last night, and in order to get food to the rescue horses, I have to walk a half mile. But at least the roads have sort of been plowed. Some driveways have been plowed, and others have not. I bet the horses want their breakfast. Hey, you guys! Ponies, ponies, ponies! Ponies, ponies, ponies! Come on, Cusco! Come on, Dusty! Dusty loves mealtime. There's Eric out walking his dog. There they are. There they are. There's Molly. They said we got a foot of snow, but I'm here to tell you that it's not a foot. It's under a foot. And the other good news is, because Eric likes to walk his dog on a leash down the street, that's just his exercise habit, he made prints in the snow for me to follow, so that makes it easier for me to get in. That's great. I'm 1/10 of the way to the barn. So pretty. I'm 1/3 of the way to the barn. This is just the driveway. So beautiful. Look at that. And not even out of the barn. They think it's a snow day too. Hungry little ponies. He needs his food too. He wants breakfast. This little pony wants to come out. See? If he falls through into the deeper snow. They've got it packed pretty good around the barn. No, he's going to manage just fine. I put out a lot of hay because that's what keeps ponies and horses warm in cold weather. They need more hay. And water, of course. We got some snow in that water. I'll add warm water to it and make it good for them. We'll see you guys in a while. I'll be back to clean the stalls.